Writing a research proposal from scratch takes weeks. You search for literature, structure your objectives, calculate your sample size, format your references, and most of the time, it still comes back for major revision. In this video, I will show you how to write a complete, publication-ready research proposal in under 2 hours. Using ScholarForge Academy, let's get started. Go to ScholarForge Academy and log in. From the dashboard, click on Proposal Writer. The module opens with a 4-phase wizard. Phase 1 is Configuration. This is where we set everything up. You will see the Access banner at the top, showing your session status and download count. The first panel is the Reference Library. This is optional but highly recommended. Click to expand it and upload your references. ScholarForge accepts BibTeX from Zotero, RIS from Mendeley, or plain text from PubMed and PMC. If you have downloaded references from PubMed, just upload that text file directly. Once uploaded, the AI will use only your verified references when generating citations. No fabrications. I uploaded 165 references from PMC, and the system loaded all of them instantly. If your institution gave you a proposal writing guideline document, upload it here. ScholarForge will read it automatically and extract your required sections, formatting rules, and any specific instructions. This is extremely powerful for university-specific proposals. Next, choose your proposal template. Standard University gives you 14 sections covering everything from cover page to references. NIH, WHO, and International Development templates are also available. Then select your citation format, APA 7th edition, Vancouver, Harvard, Chicago, or custom. The custom option is especially useful. Paste one example of your in-text citation and one example from your reference list, and the AI will follow that exact format throughout. Expand the Researcher Details panel and fill in your information: student name, registration number, degree program, department, university, submission date, and supervisor name. These details appear exactly as you type them on the cover page: certification, declaration, and acknowledgments. No placeholder text. No guessing. This panel alone eliminates the most common proposal formatting errors. Scroll down to the Research Idea section. Type your research topic with as much detail as possible. Include your target population, study setting, objectives, and methodology if you have one in mind. The more detail you provide, the better the AI output. You can also upload a document with your existing notes. Click next to review your section structure. You will see all 15 sections listed with their target word counts. You can reorder, remove, or adjust any section. When ready, click Generate All Remaining Sections. The AI writes each section one at a time: cover page, certification, declaration, acknowledgments, abstract, table of contents, literature review, objectives, methodology, timeline, budget, and references. Watch the progress bar as each section completes. If the API is busy, wait a minute and retry. Your completed sections are saved automatically. Once all sections are generated, go to Phase 4. Before downloading, click Verify and Autocorrect References. ScholarForge queries the CrossRef database for every reference in your list and corrects any formatting errors automatically. In my test, 30 out of 33 references were verified and corrected, with clickable DOI links. Only 3 needed manual checking. Click Download as Word document. Your complete proposal, nearly 5,000 words, 15 sections, verified references, downloads instantly. Open it in Microsoft Word. Review each section, add your personal knowledge and local context, and it is ready to submit to your supervisor. That is ScholarForge Academy Proposal Writer. Not a chatbot, a purpose-built research assistant. Try it free at scholarforge.academy. The link is in the description. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. Next week, I will show you how to format citations automatically in APA, Vancouver, Harvard, and more. See you then.